Hello, teacher. Good morning. Um, the short story of my sister. She um, naturally Valencia was my live sister. She was um, born born in um, 2003. Um, she was very tender and beautiful heart. I live in the city of Florence, and my family live in Pau Hill. On June, on June, and June 13 and 2013, I re, re, I received 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 call from my of sister. He told he told me naturally died. I was paralyzed. I was paralyzed for a moment and let go of crying. My baby was John, 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 born, born on the date before he uh, had, had, had left the medical and June and June. Uni. I I wanted I wanted to live immediately 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 immediately. Uh, the next day I tried 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 to Pauhi. I did now know very well what have what had happened happened. I I arrived and saw her her in the coffin. Never in my life, never in, never in my life had had I felt sad, 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 as strength, pain, and to see my family so, 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 and and it hurt and it hurt hurt more to know what I died and ju- and duns me in front of of the house uh, are what I cor- conf- confrontation to be confrontations confrontations be between 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 um, several several men we live in a blind street not want of of and want the around of one was fathood hiding and my sister died from and trade birth. I will never forget his fate. Thank you, teacher.